Companies across Texas are scrambling for answers after the White House announced an increased fee for H-1B visas. The visas allow for skilled workers from abroad to work temporarily in the U.S. The Trump administration says they're creating disadvantages for American workers. Our Barbara Fox joins us now in studio. Barbara, there are some big questions about this, so let's start here at home. How is this fee increase going to affect companies in Texas?
Yeah, Victor, an immigration attorney we spoke with says companies are in a panic right now. H-1B visas are increasing to $100,000 fee. That's a massive hike. Yeah. We're told this is one of the biggest changes we've seen in immigration law for a long time.
Okay.
On Friday, President Donald Trump signed a proclamation to raise the H-1B visa fee.
My friend, why don't you keep that, okay?
Thank you.
The H-1B visa program allows employers to hire skilled foreign workers in specialty occupations. Previously, visa fees ranged from $2,000 to $5,000 per application, depending on the size of the company. Now the cost jumped to $100,000.
This is extraordinary because imagine even if a small employer has 10 H-1Bs, that's $1 million on their bottom line.
Susham M, an immigration attorney in Houston, says there are many companies in Texas that are going to be impacted.
Houston is a huge hub for medical, like doctors, the medical center, and also oil and gas engineers. And we see a lot of H-1Bs in both of those fields. So I think, and then Dallas, of course, is huge into tech. So, and as well as Austin.
A stir of anxiety began to hit many companies over the weekend, forcing the White House press secretary Caroline Leavitt to clarify the change online over X. She says those who already hold H-1B visas and are currently outside of the country right now will not be charged $100,000 to re-enter. She says this will only apply to new visa holders. This is all in an effort to hire more people outside of college after recent reports indicate college graduates with STEM degrees are not securing STEM-focused jobs.
If you're going to train somebody, you're going to train one of the recent graduates from one of the great universities across our land. Train Americans, stop bringing in people to take our jobs.
But Modi says he does not think this is going to help more young students get hired right out of college.
The H-1Bs are capped. So there's only 65,000 per year that are allowed, with an additional 20,000 for those individuals with the master's program. So we're not talking about, if we look at the whole labor force, right, we're not talking about a huge amount of individuals.
All right, well, some of the big industries here in Texas would certainly be affected by that. Can we expect some legal challenges to this case?
Yeah, Victor, the legal expert I spoke with says he does expect some legal challenges against this new policy. He advises new individuals coming into the United States to monitor the federal court litigation. That's number one. Number two, if they cannot get sponsorship because of this new fee, there may be different paths for them, and they should consult with an immigration attorney.
All right, we'll continue to follow that. Thank you very much, Barbara.